Hi students, in this video let's see environment related news. Here first news is about primate carcasses found in Behali Reserve Forest. This is the news. Now we have to see what is primate here, what is Behali Reserve Forest and what is Reserve Forest and where it is located and various other issues related to that. Here carcasses means dead bodies. This was found in a reserve forest called Behali in Assam. The carcasses means dead bodies. They are believed to be dead bodies of capped langurs. This is the capped langur, monkey related animal. They were found in the Behali Reserve Forest, presumably killed by poachers for their skin, bone and tails. Probably, so it is killing by poachers. It is for these endemic related species are in endangered. So this is the context which we have to see in this news. Here the term primate means it is related to humans, monkeys and animals like monkeys. This is related to monkeys and related to humans. Now where is Behali Reserve Forest? Behali Reserve Forest, it is in Assam state in the northeastern region. It connects the Kaziranga National Park, it is in Assam, and the Nameri National Park, Assam. Here two national parks are coming. You have to remember Kaziranga National Park and Nameri National Park. In previous years you will find lot of national parks in the match the following cases. And in different direct statements also you will find some questions related to national parks. Here Kaziranga National Park and Nameri National Park. Nameri National Park shares its northern boundary with Pakui Wildlife Sanctuary. It is in Arunachal Pradesh. Now you have to see it is a border between Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. In this border these dead bodies are discovered. Here we have to see what are the endemic species to this particular reserve forest. Apart from rare capped langur, the Behali Reserve Forest houses the endemic slow loris. This is slow loris and near threatened Assamese macaw and rhesus macaw. Here you will find the animals, this monkey related species. These are endemic to this reserve forest. This is the location, and in this location you will find Behali Reserve Forest, and nearby that in the opposite side in Arunachal Pradesh, Pakui or Pakki Tiger Reserve, Pakui Wildlife Sanctuary or Pakki Tiger Reserve, both are same. Now we see here related to forest protection different terms are there. One is reserved forest, another one protected forests and village forests. Here the term Behali Reserve Forest. The most restricted forests and are constituted by state government. It is the most protected one. Here in this news, dead bodies are discovered in this most protected forest area. So poaching activities are going on in the most restricted areas. So here you have to see various security angle also, who might be the poachers. So in that related context, you have to see other environment related concepts as well. Protected forests, the state government is empowered to constitute any land other than reserved forest as protected forests. It is the next level. And village forest means state governments may assign to any village community the rights of government over the forest to the villages. For community purpose, state government can give some rights to the villages. Those kind of forests are called village forests. For example, for grazing purposes, these forests can be used. And village forest. Next level is protected forest, but most protected is and most restricted. Here human activities are restricted. Human activities are restricted. Most restrictions are there in reserved forest. In between village forest and reserved forest, that is protected forests. And here if you see the protection reserve, most protected is reserved, next protected and village forest. These concepts evolved from Indian Forest Act 1927. This act is important. different concepts. You have to see about this thing. Next news is about Gharial and the Orang National Park. Here, expanded tiger reserve may see return of gharials in Assam. Here we have to see what are gharials and where is Orang National Park is located. The Assam government, what is the news? The Assam government recently issued a preliminary notification for adding nearly 200 square kilometers to Orang National Park. Once again, it is Assam. This is the location where this national park is located. There are prospects of reintroducing gharial in the area. It is in Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river flows through this national park. Here, state government and the environment department is planning to introduce gharials in this zone. Why it is so special means they were wiped out from Brahmaputra river system in 1950s. In 1950s, since 1950s, gharials are not found in the Brahmaputra rivers and Brahmaputra tributaries. At present, they are in Yamuna river areas, but not in Brahmaputra river. So this news is about Environment Department is trying to bring gharials into the Brahmaputra river system. Here national park is Orang National Park. Now we will see. It is one of the 4 major rhino habitats in Assam. The specialty of Orang National Park is it is also habitat for rhinoceros, rhino habitat. What are the 4 major national parks means Kaziranga National Park, Orang, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary and Manas National Park. So Manas National Park, Pobitora, Orang and Kaziranga, these are 4 important national parks where you will find rhinos. And this Orang National Park is one among that. It was also recognized as a tiger reserve. Now we see what is gharial. Gharial is a crocodile related species. Gharial deserves its name from ghara, an Indian word for pot, because of a bulbous knob present at the end of their nose, long nose. This is the nose. At the end of the nose, they have this knob. Because of this type of crocodiles were called as gharials. At present, gharials have here, this is protected one. Gharials have been identified as critically endangered crocodile species. The gharial is listed in CITES Appendix 1 and Convention on Migratory Species. You have to say what is CITES. Appendix 1 list migratory species. They are listed in Appendix 1 that are endangered. CITES means Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. Gharial is in CITES list critically endangered species. Presently, wild populations of gharials can be only found in Bangladesh, Nepal and India. Distribution is gharial can be found in North Indian rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal and their tributaries. Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal and their tributaries. These are the rivers where gharial can be found. National Chambal Gharial Wildlife Sanctuary is there. It is located here. In this zone, Rajasthan area, Madhya Pradesh and UP area tri-junction point. In this location, gharials are identified. Apart from this, there are no gharials. Now, it is planned that gharials can be reintroduced in Brahmaputra river system as well. So, this is about environment related news. Thank you.